Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. Today is Catch Up Friday, which means you only have some assignments to complete if you did not finish them from the week. Hopefully, I got a couple pictures yesterday, so I know some of you got mail. So if you did, be sure to listen to the story called Flat Stanley, and you'll see where I got the idea to send you what I sent. Today for our morning message, I thought I would do a little lesson on fractions since that's what you've been working with this week in math. So I'm going to move my computer down and I'm going to show you for fractions, I'm going to use a candy bar. So it looks delicious. This is one whole candy bar, okay? It's one whole. So we call this one or we call it a whole. But we can take this candy bar and we can break it into halves. Okay, halves are two equal parts. These are both the same size. They're equal parts. So we call these halves. So you might have heard somebody say, like, I cut my sandwich in half. Okay, two halves, when you put two halves together, it equals one whole. So this is two halves, and if I put them together, it's a whole. Okay, but you can take one whole, okay, and I can also take one whole and I can divide it into fourths, or we can also call them quarters. So if I take this candy bar and I divide it into 4 equal pieces, these are fourths, okay, or quarters. It's the same, it means the same thing. Fourths and quarters mean the same. So you see here, these are fourths. When I put the 4 fourths together, it does make one whole. Now, let me tell you something interesting about fourths. Fourths have to be equal size. These are all the exact same size, so we can call this fourths. Let me show you what it would not look like for fourths. Let's say if I take this whole, and I'm going to break it into 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these are 4 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4. But can I call them fourths or quarters? No, I cannot. The reason I cannot is because they're not all the same size. These two are the same size. But look, this piece is way bigger than that piece. This piece is smaller than this, and it's bigger than this. For them to be called fourths or quarters, they have to be the same size. So these we call not equal parts. These are not equal in size. Some are bigger and some are smaller. Not equal. So I'm going to put them to the side. So again, we have one whole, and then if I break it into 2 equal parts, we call those halves, okay? And then I have one whole, and if I break them, let me see, they fit together a special way. And then if I break this into 4 equal parts, make sure they're equal, we call those 4 equal parts fourths or quarters. So we have halves, and we have quarters. And we learn about halves and quarters in 1st grade. So hopefully this helps you a little bit. Hope you guys have a great day. I'm going to enjoy myself. Piece of chocolate. Have a happy Friday. I love you and miss you. Bye, friends.